Alright, so I got this nasty jack pipe the other day, and everyone said how ugly they are, which, yes, these welds are atrocious. But, with that said, they're airtight. Pretty good sized chamber. And I did want to try it, so I was going to try it on that 110cc build that I did. But, it's the front tire. So I tried it on this bike, and it hits all kinds of stuff too. And then I tried it on my friend's bike, which he has one like the saw builds on, and it hits the frame, even with the CNC mount. Because everyone said, "Oh, put the CNC mount on it." Well, then it pushes this forward and hits the frame, and then you can't use it. So.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Here's my solution. I cut that out, and we're going to mount it on the front of the engine and push it back a little so it clears my tire, and we're going to try this on this all over again. So that's going to be the game plan. Let me try and get this all set, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so Nasty Jack now is on the 110cc motorized bike build. Got it all on pretty decent, got the silencer on. Has a very distinct like a dirt bike. It's pretty cool. Anyways, we'll get it running once just to get it started so you can hear it. And that's it. So yeah, I did that mount, put it on. We're good to go. Everything seems pretty good. I'll get it started here in a minute. So yeah, I got the Gonna have to have jetting. Different jetting. Oh yeah. Gonna have to go up a jack.